Parents, teachers, and school administrators, imagine gifting your school a free book vending machine that inspires literacy and empowers young minds. Boost literacy in your school. Encourage problem solving, mindfulness, and resiliency. Beautiful stories can teach your children essential life skills like problem solving, emotional regulation, decision making, mindfulness, and respect. Be a role model for your child. But first, it starts with you. Parents are the first teachers. Empower yourself with a mental health education certification from our nonprofit organization. Learn the 10 evidence-based skills: self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, responsible decision-making, problem-solving, positive psychology, mindfulness, cognitive behavioral techniques or CBT, and resiliency. Complete the certification and you'll gain essential skills to support yourself and your children. Plus, you'll receive a transcript of your education. Your certification includes mental health certification and transcript, 5 free ebooks, guided meditations, positive social media content, weekly yoga sessions, and if 50% of your school's parents enroll in our program, your school receives a free book vending machine. Enroll today to gift your school. Empower yourself, empower your school. The time to prepare ourselves is now. Let's create a brighter future for our children together.